Is it focused? Okay. Period. So this is my hair. It's already bleached and toned, but it's getting yellow and my roots are growing out a little bit, so we're about to tone it again.
Okay, for this process, you're going to need a mixing bowl and something to mix it with. You're going to get a toner of your choice. I'm using the Clairol Liquid Color Permanent Toner in 12A. You're going to need some gloves. You're going to want to protect your hair with some oil. This is raw shea butter. And you're going to need developer. This is the Clairol Pure White 30 Volume Developer, and also a comb. Okay, so I'm not going to talk too much because I feel like this is very self-explanatory, so just please sit back and watch. Also, I forgot to mention that you're going to need a shower cap to put over your head, and you're going to leave this in your hair for 1 hour. After your hair is completely done processing, you're going to want to wash it out. I'm using the Shimmer Lights Toning Purple Shampoo and some Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. First things first, I'm going to moisturize my face with this alignment oil. It's from this company off Instagram, but all the product details will be linked in the description bar. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply some lip gloss because my lips was mad crusty. The first product I'm going to put in my hair is this Garnier Fructis Curl Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, so I like to put oil on before I put my foam on because I don't like to have really crunchy hair. So I'm putting on this mango and lime tropical island oil on my hair before I put on the foam. Okay, this part you cannot skip. Like, This part is crucial. If you want to have some popping finger waves, whatever type of waves you want, you need this product. You're gonna need a foam. I'm using the Tropical Roots foam. I love this foam. It doesn't make my hair too crunchy and it smells amazing. In order to finger wave the hair, you're gonna need a comb. Right here, I'm using my little edge brush. It's like a duo thing. It has a comb on one side and a brush on the other. Honestly, this part is too easy. You're just basically swooping the hair in the direction you want it to be swooped. I swoop mine going to the front of my head and going towards the back of my head because I just like it like that. But you just want to swoop the hair, hold the opposite side, and just go in the opposite direction with the comb.
This is about to be so hard for me because I don't know how to record while y'all are seeing the back of my head. So, yeah. Whatever comes out. Okay.
If y'all can tell, but the bitch was really struggling. But after this little swoop wave, there's no more footage, so I'm just gonna upload the pictures that I took afterwards. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure y'all subscribe and like this video. Also, please comment below more videos that you would like to see on my channel.